garden arbor that you see behind me. It didn't take too long. The hardest part was coming up with the right design for it. I'll go ahead and list the materials here above as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. Maybe hit the like button. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Alright, about to get started. Just to give you an idea, here's my fence that I built. Painted that side. I still need to paint the rest of this. I think I have just enough lumber. These are 2x8s, similar to the top beam across the top of the fence. So it's gonna go north to south, so it'll block the afternoon sun. Pretty excited. All right, so I love getting my lumber delivered, but the one problem, see if you guys can tell on these 4x4 beams, is they always send you the crooked pieces. I mean, that's pretty bad. I don't know, is it just me? All right, I got the first section of the arbor installed. I really think I'm gonna like this design. It's gonna look pretty good. I got a couple of the pieces started here on the arbor. I kind of want to call it a pergola. Maybe it's an arbor, I don't know. Help me out in the comments if you know the correct name of this. But this 4x4 over here is pretty crooked. So I put this cross beam on to pull it tight to straighten it out, and I think I got it pretty close. Let me flip around and show you what I did. So I just threw a screw in here, and on this side I have this little bracket. I'm able to like pull it down more and it tightens up just a little bit more. But pretty excited to find this little hack on how to straighten it out a little bit. All right, I got everything painted. Oh, including my hand. All the boards painted. I'm gonna get a couple installed now, just before that sun goes down. It's pretty. These birds are going wild too. I ended up spacing the beams on the top 8 inches apart. I picked up the last few beams from Home Depot and I am making the final cuts to them. So I have 3 more 8-foot beams and a 6-foot beam. And for the design, like the edge of each board, each cross beam, I'm marking down 1 inch and then cutting a 45-degree angle off. So it's just a simple design after watching a few other videos, trying to figure out exactly how to make the ends. That's what I went with. Nothing too fancy. All right, I finished painting the last remaining beams and I'm gonna go ahead and install them. It took me a minute to get everything perfect, but yeah, like I said, I did spacing 8 inches apart, and it didn't really take too long. This was overall a fun and rewarding project. What do you guys think? I feel like it completes that garden fence pretty well. I love it. And I have these climbing roses right here. They're gonna climb up the side and grow up to 15 feet tall. Oh, 20 feet tall. They are White Lady Banks climbing roses. Pretty excited. Well, that's all I have for today. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. Here is close up. But yeah, if you guys like what you see, if you could subscribe, like, leave a nice little comment, I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.